How is digital transformation impacting your job today?
What role is DevOps playing in the digital transformation journey of your business?
How are enterprises today modernizing their apps and infrastructure?
How can you rebuild and optimize your infrastructure through containerization?
Containers and microservices are accelerating the digital transformation initiatives in enterprises across Southeast Asia today. Learn how you can modernize your legacy apps and infrastructure with DevOps, and how Docker drives the DevOps success.
Only at Tech Insights, the digital transformation series, coming to both Singapore and Mumbai. Enlightening talks, live demos, panel discussion with customers and more. Register with your preferred location now.
Learn all about modernizing your apps and infrastructure using DevOps and Docker. Be there at Tech Insights, 31st May in Mumbai and 20th June in Singapore.
Dock yourself there.
We look forward to seeing you in Singapore and Mumbai.